Good morning, everyone. Today we have a hot health topic that we're going to share with you. And it's all about allergies. In fact, allergies are the most common chronic conditions worldwide.
They really are. And so we have two major different types of allergens. We have the environmental allergens. So we're talking about pollen primarily here in Santa Fe, which would be juniper. Especially right now. And then we have pet dander and dust mites. And then the second one is food allergies, which you can be allergic to nuts, which we've heard lots about, or wheat or dairy, which can exacerbate your actual environmental allergies.
Right. So Christi mentioned juniper. This is a time where so many of our friends, even our patients, want to get the heck out of Santa Fe, right? And travel to some Caribbean island. And we want to help you be able to stay and enjoy the beautiful spring in Santa Fe. So we have some great suggestions for you. As Christi mentioned also that food sensitivities are huge. So just if you eliminate wheat, dairy, sugar, and all processed foods completely, increase your hydration with minerals. We're really big on advising our patients to put a pinch of sea salt, Celtic sea salt, in their water, because that helps you absorb your water and it helps with everything that goes on in your cellular organ world.
And so, we want to give you some hints, and one of them would be keep your house as clean as possible, and keep your windows shut, use air filters, use humidifiers as well. And then like Robyn was talking about, clean up your diet, get the wheat, get the dairy out of there. And then, there's also chocolate and mint can also be a problem around the juniper time. So those are some other things to remove. And then consider some natural antihistamines. Blue tansy is a great essential oil. And, there's also, we have a whole host of things here at Santa Fe Soul that are natural antihistamines.
So we're here to help you with any allergy concern you are dealing with right now and any other health challenge as well. So you can reach us at 505-474-8555. And cheers to having your best allergy season ever.